Hi, today we are going to learn how to set up and manage live chat conversations. Once you log into the portal, you will be able to see the list of bots created. If you haven't created a bot yet, click on Create a Bot. You can either create a bot from the template or you can create a blank bot canvas. The bot can attend up to 80% of the user queries. This can be done via user journeys and FAQs added in the bot. For complex queries, you can add agents to your bot. Starting with the flow builder, you can add the transfer to agent node to assign the chat to an agent. This can be added to the flow as required. You can also create a separate path for live chat and add an FAQ for the same. The FAQs can be for specific questions or queries like, I want to speak to an agent, how can I contact support, etc. In the path, add a transfer to agent node. Here, you can select or add a category and enable transfer to agent. Once a user goes through this flow, the chat will be assigned to a live agent. Now, let's set up the team for live chat configurations. Go to Configurations, Team. Here, you will be able to see the owner account details. Click on Add a team member. First, you need to choose a role. The supervisor has access to all the features enabled for accounts except the Accounts tab. The supervisor can only monitor and control the bots that have been invited to. An executive can access the Accounts page along with the dashboard, deploy, train, and users. Bot Builder role is assigned to purely build and test bots. Bot Builder gets to access bot building and deployment tools, that is, build, configure, deploy, train, broadcast, and integrations. Agent role is assigned to handle all live agent requests on the system. An agent can access messages and train. The agent can be assigned a category to separate the requests to relevant agents. Choose from one of the mentioned roles. For an agent and supervisor, add their name, email, and assign categories and channels. An email invite will be sent out on the email ID provided. Categories can be defined in the live chat settings. You can assign or modify the categories and channels later. You can also delete the team member if needed. After adding the team, you can now set up and manage them in live chat configurations. In the Setup section, define your work week. It is set as Monday to Friday by default. You can set up working hours for all days or configure it day-wise. Working hours are set up according to the time zone in the bot details. The time considered here would be the time zone set up in bot details. You can also add holidays. During holidays, the agent will be marked unavailable. In chat settings, you can enable event log history, feedback collection from users, and email conversation transcript. Enter the sender email ID for sending the transcript. You can configure the agent busy response and transfer to agent response here. Set up wait time for the website and app. This is the time the user will wait in a queue before sending an agent a busy response. Set up SLA for resolution. It can be set up between 1 hour to 7 days. Engati allows you to collaborate with your team in the app with group conversations. You can enable group conversations here, and your agents can invite other agents to chat and resolve it together. You can also connect with your customers over a video call by enabling it here. Set the maximum number of active conversations the agent can handle at a time. First response SLAs can be sent according to the channels. Here, you can set up live chat categories for different agent groups like support, billing, etc. Apart from routing, set up in paths, you can set up additional routing rules. These rules take precedence over the rest. To create a rule set, click on Add Rule Set and set a name. Select an attribute, an operator, and add the value. For example, if user.country attribute is set as India for the user, the chat will get assigned to this agent category. You can add multiple conditions and the expression can be R1 and or R2. You can add quick replies and canned responses in this section. You can view incoming messages in the message section and known as the One View inbox. In the All tab, you can see conversations from multiple channels. These conversations include messages exchanged with the bot and agents both. The agents can mark themselves online to pick up conversations. New conversations will show up in the New tab. The conversations which are picked up are seen in the Active tab. Owners and supervisors can see the unassigned conversations and assign them to agents. We'll now switch to Agent View. The agent has access to messages, users, integrations, and analytics. In the Messages section, the agent can go online to receive message requests from users. We'll try the bot and initiate a live chat. The agents get a sound notification once they receive a request. The agent can pick up the conversation from the New tab. The chat moves to the Active tab and the agent and the user can start a real-time conversation. Complete history of the chat is available before it was assigned. Quick replies can be used from here. They can also search the FAQs and send a reply. Engati also allows you to send images, documents, or use emojis in the conversation. User details are available on the right panel. The agent can add notes for the users, which the owner and supervisors can see. The agent can also see additional attributes set for the particular user and event log history. A video call can be initiated from the One View directly. Users and agents can share their screens. Agents can continue with the call in PIP mode, where they can view the conversation in the One View as well. The agent can transfer it to another agent or add other agents to the chat. Once the query is handled, the conversation can be resolved here and the chat is transferred back to the bot. In the case of multilingual conversations, the Engati portal can help you with two-way auto translation. Both users and agents can communicate with each other in their preferred language.